Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will discuss about on balance volume indicator. On balance volume indicator is a momentum based indicator that measures volume flow to gauge the direction of the trend. It is used to predict the price movement with the help of volume changes. On balance volume can also helps to forecast the breakout direction in price. Here the volume and price rise are directly proportional to each other. A rising price is depicted by a rising OBV and a falling OBV stands for a falling price. If OBV depicts a rise in the same pattern as the prices, this is a positive indicator, while a contrast with the pattern which depicts a negative indicator. OBV shows crowd sentiments which can predict a bullish or bearish outcome. Next, we are discussing how to read on balance volume. As a cumulative indicator, on balance volume measure the buying or selling pressure by adding volume in the up days and subtracting volume in the down days. Once the stock closes higher than its previous close, all the day's volume is taken as up volume. For example, a negative day with 10 lakh volume is not as significant if the next day up has 50 lakhs in volume. Now see here, volume indicates that buyers are very active in pushing the price up and therefore on balance volume will move up over the 2 days period even though one day was down and the other days up. So first of all, one thing that you have to remember, that is the on balance volume indicator moves down faster than the corresponding move in price. In this indicator, when both price and indicator are making lower peaks, the downward trends is likely to continue. During a trading range, rising on balance volume which indicates accumulation and hence chances of an upward break. Now have a look at the picture below. Here on the conjunction of the range breakout, you may enter into it. Let's talk about on balance volume calculation. In the Excel sheet, we have the OHLC value and OBV is calculated based on current and previous close and the volume values. Now the initial OBV of the price series is equal to the absolute volume. In the formula to calculate the current OBV, see if the current price is greater than the previous price and if the current price is less than the previous price. Last, if the current price is equal to the previous price. All these three values are combined together to form the OBV values.